Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Wednesday. Now shares in energy and semiconductor equipment, media and all those sectors under pressure, while shares in real estate, utilities, software and services, those sectors gaining traction. Now on the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications improving by 1.5% in the week ended May 31st. ADP employment change dropping to 27,000 in May. Market U.S. services PMI reaching 50.9 in May, and ISM non-manufacturing increasing to 56.9. While the Federal Reserve releasing their beige book stating that between April through mid-May, almost all districts reported some growth and a few saw moderate gains in activity. Meanwhile, after the markets closed, there's no major news to report, so we go straight overseas to Asia, where the results were mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.01%, the Hang Seng up about 0.25%, China CSI 300 down 0.9%, South Korea's Kospi up 0.1%. European markets gaining ground and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have JM Smucker, fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.95. While on the economic docket, we have at first 8:30 in the morning the April trade balance, as well as exports and imports for the month of April. We also have first quarter non-farm productivity and both initial and continuing jobless claims figures. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further upside. Now the Nasdaq sees its aim at 7,300, while the Dow Jones sees further upside as the relative strength index calls for a new up leg. Long positions above 25,490 are favored, with targets at 25,700 and 25,835 in extension.